y'all, so we are back at mommy's house. We are, what's this, the tiny house series? Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it, the tiny house series. So we're trying to get mommy's house together. But y'all already know what it is. Before we get into this vlog, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. And make sure you follow on Instagram and TikTok at Jasmine You Love. Alright y'all, so today we are gonna put together my mom's wardrobe system. If y'all did not go see it, make sure y'all go watch her carpet series, her carpet video, because we laid down some rugs and made it look like carpet. Inexpensive way to do carpet. Yeah. So we got her this right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's the Bremnes wardrobe with 3 doors from Ikea. It was $199. So we got that. It has a mirror on the front, 3 doors. So we are going to transform that. So these are 3 boxes right here. That's about to be some work. But this is what we're going to put in it. So this area over here is like, well, this thing right here is where her clothes are in. So like her clothes, they're in here. But this thing be leaning, and I don't like that. And it's like a piece of wood. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's like a piece of wood down there so that the thing don't tip over. I don't like that. So we're going to get rid of this thing, and then we're going to put all her clothes and stuff in there. So we're about to put this stuff together. So this comes in 3 boxes. So you got the first one, the second one, the third one. I go the third one is the first one, and then the second one is down there. So we're about to put this stuff together real quick. Y'all, we are done. Look at her. She's cute, y'all. I think I'm gonna get my mom another shelf to put up here so she could put more clothes up there. That's definitely what I'm gonna do. But get another shelf to go up there so she could put more clothes. And then it's a shelf down here as well. And then it got your rack for your clothes. And then it has your mirror. And then on this side, you got 3 shelves. Yes. I'm happy. And it's cute. And she got another mirror, y'all.
I'm happy.
Look, mommy's happy. Alright, y'all. So, like I said, that's the brimless wardrobe. $199, so $200. But I like it. It's really cute. Very sturdy. Y'all know Ikea stuff is very sturdy though, but it's really sturdy and I like it. Put the little doorknob on there. Look at that. Cute. It's so cute. But I will see you on the next vlog because we're doing something else. We're gonna get this area together. I bought her a little pantry from Amazon. But yeah. I will see you on the next vlog. Bye guys.
I just wanna keep you